Oh, listen to the sound of that Forerunner. How long have you had it, Jordan?
Gosh, about 2 months now.
What kind of hat? Oh, that's a funny hat.
That's an M&M. Okay, well the family, Kalachi family started this restaurant in the 20s, and it's been here on the same location forever. They had a fire and the place burned down, but they're the same. You always know exactly what it's going to taste like.
We have single cat. How about a killing? Okay.
What is
This is the Italian sausage steak.
Ooh. Ooh. I want to see a bite of that.
Looking forward to seeing me eat that.
Looking forward to it. Interesting.
Yeah.
It's really thick noodle. Yeah. Bartender.
Belly up. You see him today? There he is.
Cash register in there, and he is paying for
Leftovers from the
It's hard to
Blue
weigh
Parrot.
backwards, isn't it?